Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bitrix24 full guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in bitrix24.com and hit enter. Once the Bitrix24 homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see two fields, one for your email or phone number and another for your password. Enter your registered email address or phone number in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you want to stay logged in, check the box that says Remember Me. Once you have filled in both fields, click on the login button below. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Bitrix24 dashboard. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page and enter your new password. Once logged in, explore the features available on your Bitrix24 account. You can customize your dashboard according to your preferences. Familiarize yourself with the menu options to maximize your usage. Now you're ready to fully utilize Bitrix24 for your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.